According to the survey, most of drivers have had a dangerous experience when they're changing lanes. The approaching vehicle is in the adjacent lane that fall into rear blind spot zone. May not be visible using only rear view mirror. STEELMATE blind spot microwave radar is using 79 GHz bandwidth technology to detect the approaching vehicle, which is in the 30 square meter blind spot zone. The 79 GHz microwave radar has stronger penetration, resolution, and lower false alarm rate than the 24 GHz radar, which makes the STEELMATE blind spot detection system work well in all severe weather. STEELMATE blind spot detection system can make lane change safer and make you safe on road. Think safety. Think STEELMATE.